Hello, I'm Douglas. We'll be back for our lesson 3. I'm your instructor on research methods in the model of research methods and research methodology. There are various types of research. We have descriptive and analytical, applied and fundamental, qualitative and quantitative, conceptual and empirical, fundamental or pure or basic research is an investigation on basic principles and reasons for occurrence of a particular event or process or phenomenon. It's also called theoretical research. Other applied research, it aims at solving certain problems, employing well-known and accepted theories and principles. Experimental research is any research conducted within a scientific approach where a set of variables are kept constant while other sets of variables are being measured as the subject of experiment under control. There are times when you don't have enough data to support your decisions. This is an investigation in which hypothesis is scientifically tested. Non-experimental research is a level given to a study when a researcher cannot control, manipulate, or alter the predictor, variable, or subject, but instead relies on interpretation, observation, and interactions, or to come to a conclusion. For example, cross-sectional research, correlation research, and observation research. Basically, research types. Quantitative research is numerical, non-descriptive, applies statistics or mathematics, use of numbers, is an iterative process whereby evidence is evaluated. The results are often presented in tables, graphs. It's conclusive. It investigates the what, where, and when of the decision making. Whereas qualitative is non-numerical, descriptive, applies reasoning and use of words. Its aim is to get the meanings, feelings, and describe the situation. Qualitative data cannot be graphed. It's exploratory and investigates the why and how of the decisions making. Mixed methods is a research that involves the mixing of quantitative and qualitative methods or paradigms characteristics. The nature of data is mixture of variables, words, and images. Other types of research, as I indicated in my previous lessons, were exploratory. That might involve a literature, search, or conducting focus group interviews, exploration of new phenomena in a way that may help the researcher. Descriptive, directed towards studying what and how many of these what. Thus, it's directed towards answering questions such as, what is this? Explanatory, longitudinal, cross-sectional, action, policy-oriented research, comparative, casual research, theory testing, theory building research to establish and formulate the theory, inductive research, deductive. Basically, this inductive and deductive, we're trying to confuse students, but in the first stage, in this process, from observation to theoretical understanding, deductive research is the second stage in this process. Deductive involves arriving at a conclusion about data from one's theoretical informed perspective or understanding. The research approaches and research methods. There are many views of research methods. The types of methods used depends on the field of study, the unrelated theoretical factors, available expertise, resources, and referred to as practical factors, access to subjects and related ethical factors, purpose of research, researcher's background, whether the method is suitable or not. One cannot simply apply the methods because you have been asked to do research. So, the views are normally narrated or merged to form three approaches. Quantitative approach include positivism or post-positivism worldview. Qualitative approach includes constructivism and transformative worldviews. And mixed method approach corresponds to pragmatism. Thank you. Next lesson will introduce more of these methods. We shall delve deeper into them.